I'd like to say thank you to the viewers who have been with me through this 928 project. I need your help this time. The car runs, but there is a rattle and I can't seem to figure it out. Can you tell me what this might be? That sound that you just heard is audible when the car is in park and neutral, but when I put it in drive it goes away. After I turn the car off, then the noise really can be heard. I'm not really sure what that is. I'll play the video one more time. If you had a similar problem, can you tell me what was your issue in the comments down below? And thanks for your help.